and welcome to the BIN2BEAN training series designed specifically for entrepreneurs and small businesses working in the biowaste-to-soil improver value chain. My name is Sara Dagnotti and together with my colleague Giulia Cividini, I'm pleased to guide you through this learning journey on accessing and applying for public funding and grants. But why does funding matter for innovators? First, it reduces risk. Innovating in the biowaste sector can be expensive and uncertain. Public funding helps share that risk, so you don't have to shoulder it alone. It accelerates also market readiness. Funding allows you to test, validate, and improve your solutions, so they are ready for customers and investors across Europe. Also, it enables scaling up. Many small businesses have excellent innovation but lack resources to grow. Public funding can provide the support you need to reach wider markets and achieve greater impact. Finally, it builds credibility. Securing European or national funding signals that your project is innovative and solid, making it easier to attract partners and investors. And that's exactly why this training exists, to help you navigate the funding landscape and make the most of these opportunities to grow your business. Throughout this course, you learn how European funding mechanisms work, how to find funding opportunities relevant to your business, how to write a strong competitive proposal, and how to plan financially for funded projects. To make the most of this training, watch each video module. They are concise and practical, so you can fit learning into your daily schedule. Download the support materials, slides, glossaries, checklists, and helpful links are all provided to deepen your knowledge. Explore translations. Scripts are available in different languages if you prefer to study in your native language. Finally, take the final quiz. Completing the quiz will earn you a certificate of participation, a valuable asset for your professional journey. For this module, we've also prepared a terminology glossary. It explains key funding terms that you'll encounter during the training. I encourage you to download it and keep it handy as you progress. Thank you for joining me in this journey. Let's begin!